Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Anamika Datta, wife of Mr. Arup Kumar Nath, principal of a government higher secondary school, Jorhat, Assam. Here I want to speak out about the horrible journey of suffering which Mr. Arup Kumar Nath came across. For this, I will have to go 20 years back when he was a postgraduate student. He suffered from piles very severely. He treated the disease with some traditional Assamese medicines and also consulted the doctor and somehow got relief. Then, for these 20 years, he forgot about the disease. But last year, it came to his notice that a kind of fluid started passing out through his rectum. Slowly it turned severe with pain and burning sensation. We went to the Jorhat to consult a surgeon. The surgeon there in Jorhat said that he had fistula along with fissure problem also. He advised for surgery. Then we moved to Guwahati for consulting a renowned doctor there in Guwahati. At Guwahati also the same it was advised that is surgery. So after some discussion we decided to go to Chennai. And on 1st of October last year, that is 2019, we moved to Chennai, and there we visited a famous hospital there in Chennai. There also the doctor suggested the same, that is surgery, but he have a heart problem too. So the doctor did not take the risk of surgery without solving the heart problem. So a minor surgery was done and we returned back to Assam. He got relief for a couple of days, but the problem did not get solved fully. Again the fluid started getting discharged. Then one evening suddenly I came across, actually I came in contact with Mrs. Manjita Kaishyap through Facebook. We had a long conversation and Mrs. Manjita Kaishyap, she suggested him to try Renutas Nova. She made him contact with Mr. Manik Devnath. Both of them discussed about the problem and Mr. Manik Devnath assured him 100% guarantee. Now for the last 6 months he was taking Renutas Nova. Still he is continuing. After taking Renutas Nova for 1 month, he got the result, and slowly the fistula track was drying up. Now he is happy enough to say that he is 100% free from the fistula problem. Myself also, as he is recovered, very happy, and we can proudly announce that Renutas Nova is the best product of this type of stomach related problem. Thank you.